Deadspeak. Choose one Afterlife card and use it as a bonus play. If no Afterlife cards, draw one random community card and use it as a bonus play. So the first thing to understand is a bonus play means you get another turn. You start by doing your moves, you then do your faction if there is one, do the draws, all the things, end of turn again, or end of turn, and you simply play this turn and then play an entirely another turn. So Deadspeak is going to go, and the first thing I get to do is choose what card I want. Well, this 11 is really nice. However, things are set up really well for the military commander. So I'm going to go ahead and take this military commander and I'm going to place it here. I'm going to move a purple card +3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to move a green card +1. And I can flip a card from his side of the board, 1, 2, 3. So essentially, I got all that, and on top of it, I get to draw and play another faction card. I play my faction again, end of turn, and boy, I really ramped up the points. Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wills team, just subscribe to us below.